We're going to see a demonstration of Claude Code subagents through an ASCII art show. So I'm going to say, hey, get this show on the road. And you can see in the file system, there's a claude.md folder. It's got some instructions, and it actually references these agents. There are 3 ASCII artists, and then a critic of ASCII art, and they're going to be making their own text files. So by identifying the agents in this instruction manual, I can ensure that they run. And there's actually language in there that says they should run in parallel. So this is something my friend Ghenis figured out. You can run these agents in parallel. You see the 3 dots are blinking right there. And they're making their ASCII art. They're based on haiku, although it seems like this task is kind of token intensive. Yeah, look, 10,000 tokens. It's kind of interesting. But they're each writing their art. And let's see if the files are there now. Okay, so yeah, so we have some files. So let's look at like max.txt. That's his artwork. Cross.txt. So these artists all have their own little styles here. This is Razor. Okay. And now the art critic is going. I wish I could get it to spit out more of what it's doing so that the critic is displaying the art and then scoring it, but it doesn't seem to be a stream here. So I'm just kind of jumping in and jumping out. This critic uses Sonnet, so it takes a little more time. And we can just go right into critic.txt and just see what's going on there, I guess. So the session has begun. Entry 1, digital vandalism by Razor. Okay, so it's getting scored. 79 out of 100. Just refresh here. So this task does take a little bit of time. All right, I couldn't be a podcaster. I can't fill the time to save my life. Show me. Okay, there's entry 2. So now it's on entry 2. I wish it would spit out. I told it to spit out the image, but that's okay. Control R, nothing to see there. Still working. Okay, it says it's done. Oh, yeah, there's more. Okay. Entry 3. And then there's the winner down there. So Mad Max is the winner. And then we see, so the final, or the agent that controlled the subagents brings back the final standings. Again, it is just a little hard to see all the intermediate steps. That's why you have to use these text files. Neat. And then I can say, hey, the show's over. And in Claude.md, it knows that it should delete the text files. Yeah, you see it's deleting them, all cleaned up. Let's make sure they're clean. Awesome, ready to go again. Kind of neat, huh? A little silly, but having those 3 agents running in parallel, I didn't think they could run in parallel. I still wish there was a way to have one agent control other agents. It doesn't seem like you can really do that. But with that, Claude.md having the one central agent with instructions to call these other agents and run them in parallel, that's pretty powerful.